Hi, I'm Gia Murphy, and I will be presenting the reading strategy of visualization. Visualization is a reading strategy that good readers use to help create a mental image in their minds to represent the idea that they read in the text. Visualization requires students to weave together their own background knowledge, text evidence, and creativity to make an image in their mind's eyes to match the story or informational article that they are reading. This also helps students understand what they are reading at a deeper level. Visualization helps students comprehend the text, become an active and alert reader by making predictions as they read, notice details and specific language in the text, better understand key story elements, understand characters' emotions and make connections with them, recall and summarize the text easily, self-monitor their own comprehension, make inferences as they read, and get into the world of the book. So, like, almost jump into the book and act like you are in it yourself. Different ways you can use this in the classroom. I would suggest using this in a pre-K to second grade level because it just helps with reading comprehension, and that's the most important parts of those grade levels. Some different ways to use it are to have students draw what is happening in the story as the teacher reads. I'll show you an example of that towards the end of this presentation. The teacher could also have the student visualize parts of the story like the setting, character, object, or important event. So this can be done after the reading. This is an example right here of what it would look like. You can give them a worksheet, have them draw, and these would be great to hang up around the classroom as well. This helps the students remember what was told in the story as the class is reading. The teacher can also prompt the students to actively read and look for important information that can help them understand the text as a whole. So this can be done at higher grade levels as well, just to promote active reading, to make sure students are making connections with themselves in the text, and things like that. And doing activities, like I said, could also give the teacher to present the students' work around the classroom. So how to incorporate this in your classroom? I'm going to show you 3 parts of a poem, and after each part, you would give your classroom about 30 seconds to draw what they think would happen. So here's the first part, my neighbor's dog is purple, and then you draw what you think the neighbor's dog would look like. Then you give them a little more information. So the neighbor's dog is purple, its eyes are large and green, its tail is almost endless, the longest I've seen. My neighbor's dog is quiet, it does not bark one bit, but when my neighbor's dog is near, I feel afraid of it. So then you'd stop, have them draw for about 30 seconds. Then you'd show them the entire poem, and there would be 3 parts of a drawing. So here's some student examples of how it looked like this would probably be a first to kindergarten classroom, how it would look. So here's one, here's another, and then it just gives them an idea of how they would draw and what it would look like as they read their story. Here are my resources, and thank you for listening.